20.25% gain for 2023. That's where we're standing right now in the portfolio. And as a matter of fact, that's the highest daily close for the portfolio in 2023. Now, if you guys remember about a week ago when we had that dip in the portfolio down to that 18% level, I told you that is an incredible opportunity and I will be taking maximum advantage of that dip in the markets. And you guys can see I did just that because that's why we're sitting at a yearly high in the portfolio. Now, what's interesting is the S&P 500 is not sitting at its high for the year. The QQQ, the NASDAQ is not sitting at its high for the year. Apple is not sitting at its high. Tesla's not sitting at its high. Nvidia's not sitting at its high, but the portfolio is. So what that shows you is how I've been able to take advantage in price fluctuations in the market to the upside and the downside to generate phenomenal profits. And the great thing is, all the trades I take, they are over on the Patreon. So everyone on the Patreon has access to all the trades, and the guys over there, they're doing incredible things. And anyone who's taken all of my trades, they will also be sitting at yearly highs in their portfolio. And we're just going to continue to rise. Now, I'm going to tell you guys exactly what to expect next on the markets and plays to take advantage of that next wave and that next iteration in price that we will be seeing. Okay, so let's get to it. Let's talk about the SPY. Got to know about the SPY. Had some very interesting moves that I want to cover off with you guys. Now, at the start of the day, we were sitting at resistance at that 444 level. Okay, 444, that was resistance. We broke out of that resistance, closed the day pretty much at 450. Okay, now given the fact that we've had a significant break in resistance, we have moved into new territory in the markets. Okay, we have moved into new strength territory. So this is a massive opportunity to take advantage of. Given the fact that we're sitting at 450 guys is now another resistance level. We move from one resistance level to another resistance level, okay? And it's also a key psychological level, that 450 level. Now, what we should expect and what we should hope for is a slight pullback in the market. That is what we want. We want a slight pullback in the markets to around that 445 level, 445, 446. This pullback will give us a queue, an entry queue to go long, to get into specific plays long to take advantage of that next wave higher, okay? We pull back into 445, we are going to make our way up to that 455 level, okay? It's a very important target zone, a very sticky target zone, and we will make our way there, that 455, okay? So that pullback into 445 is exactly what we want to see. Now let's talk about some individual names where you can take advantage of that pullback into 445 on the SPY, right? The first is going to be Apple, guys. They're going to be two specific names where you have the opportunity to take advantage of the next iteration in price. And the first one is going to be Apple. Now, again, Apple had a really, really good day today, phenomenal day. Again, breaking through that key resistance barrier around that 182 level, right? It broke through that key resistance barrier at that 182 level, now sitting at 184. So what we want to see with Apple is for it to pull in to the 183. Apple pulls into the 183. That gives us our cue to go long. That pull into the 183, that will shake out some of the weak hands, that will open up the opportunity, some space on the bus to get on board for its climb towards the 190. That is significant amount of gains if you are utilizing things like option contracts, okay? So that's the first name. Apple has now got a re-injection of pace that's now giving you the opportunity to get on board and ride that climb up to the 190 level. The next one is Tesla, okay? Again, just like Apple, with a very key significant break, and because we have that significant break, it now puts it in strength territory. The break happened once we got above the 250, okay? This is a level where it was tussling with over the last couple of sessions, and it made a significant break. So what we want to see is a pull into that 250 level, okay? That 250, 251 level, around there. Again, just shaking off some weak hands for its climb up towards the 270. Phenomenal profits, phenomenal gains is now open for those who are one step ahead. And I'm giving you guys the intel, I'm giving you the information that you need to take advantage of the next wave in price that we will be seeing, okay? So keep an eye out for those levels, keep an eye on those plays. Let me give you guys another area of the market that you want to be aware of. Now, the Dow Jones has had again a significant break, a very significant break, but the Dow Jones is limited in its climb. The Dow Jones is not making, it is not going to all-time highs this year, okay, and it's now approaching big-time resistance levels. Big-time resistance levels. So we should be expecting in the next 1 to 3 sessions, okay, a reversal in the Dow Jones. That being said, if we go ahead and take a look at Nike, ticker symbol NKE, this is a top 15 Dow Jones player right here. So this is going to have again, a contributing factor in the direction of where the Dow Jones is going. And we know that the Dow Jones is on pace for a significant rejection very, very soon. Nike can go as high as 103, okay? Be mindful of that. Currently it's at 102. It can go as high as 103, 103.50, that range. But this is just a technical move before a price reversal where we see Nike drop back under $100, okay? This is a play that is in technical weakness, that is again opening up the opportunity for those who are aware of price action and aware of the true intended move and direction to make some great money, okay? So guys, those are the plays, those are the intel. That's what I've got for you guys in this one. It's your opportunity again to make a lot of money. Catch you guys in the next one.